How do you make your school life easier? We've got an answer. Check out our new video. We'll show you some awesome tips and tricks for school and even tell you how to make some sneaky cheat sheets that your teacher will never catch. Do you like fidget spinners and you want some stress relief during class? We've got an idea on how to make a special school edition fidget spinner. Get an ordinary fidget spinner and take out its bearing. Cut off a matching size piece of an eraser. Hot glue a small pencil to one side of the bearing and the eraser to the other side. We end up with a very unique fidget spinner. We can relieve stress as well as write down some notes and erase them if needed. Did the eraser on the end of the pencil run out just when you needed it? We know how to get a bit more out of it. Get a pencil sharpener and insert the pencil from the eraser side in it. Carefully turn, cutting off bits of the metal enclosure in the process. We can still use the eraser for a bit longer. Has the pen stopped writing even though there's still ink left in it? We've got a hack for that. Take a lighter and heat up the tip of the pen. Test it out and the pen is working again. Is your marker not writing? We'll need some perfume. Just spray a bit of perfume on the tip of the marker. It's working as good as new, and the writings have a good smell to them. In this life hack, we'll show you how to make a bending pen out of a simple pen rod. We'll need some hot glue. Take the rod and carefully cover it in hot glue. Pay attention that the ends of the rod stay open. The glue has cured and the pen is ready. It's comfortable to hold and has a nice bend to it. These funny monsters will help you attach your schedule or any other important information to your magnetic board. Get a few corks and cut each of them in half lengthwise. Paint them with acrylic paint. Draw white teeth. Glue some wiggly eyes. Paint a smile and outline the teeth with a dark marker. Stick a piece of self-adhering magnet strip to the back side. We've made a whole bunch of happy monsters. They will definitely lighten up your mood even during the hardest of class days. Your album sheets are getting all worn out inside your bag. We need to fix that. Take a tube can left over from some chips. Wrap it with some craft paper. Attach a ribbon to the ends of the tube so that it's easier to transport. Now we can roll up our sheets and keep them in our handmade storage tube. Take a sheet of paper and a pen. It's a test, a phrase that always gives you the shivers. We'll show you how to carefully take out a sheet of paper from your notebook without damaging your manicure. Get a pen and carefully hook the clip with the nozzle of the pen. Just like that, you can take out the sheet of paper without damaging it or your nails. You haven't done your homework? How are you going to save yourself from bad grades? Here's an idea. Take a white candle and rub it against your journal where the teacher is likely to leave a bad mark. The page is covered with a layer of wax. You can't write on it with an ordinary pen. Did the teacher leave a bad grade with a marker? Gently remove the wax layer along with the grade on it. Now we can change it. But the best solution, of course, would be to do your homework. What is school life without a cheat sheet? Let's show you how to make some of the coolest cheat sheets ever. Take a sheet of paper and fold it a few times. Punch a hole in the corner. Pass an elastic band through the hole and tie it up like this. Cut off the excess edges of the paper so that we'll end up with a bunch of small pages. Write on them what you need to. Wear the band on your hand. Now you can place the paper in your hand and just let it go in order to hide it in your sleeve if the teacher approaches. Remember this scenario? You're sitting there, minding your own business, trying to take a glance at your cheat sheet when suddenly, Miss Smith! We'll share with you a secret technique of how to make a cheat sheet that has been passed on from generation to generation. Take a strip of paper not wider than an ordinary match. Write down the needed information on it. Glue the ends of the paper to 2 matches. Roll up the paper strip into a mini scroll. Now we can discreetly cheat on our test. We are going to need a plastic bottle for our next cheat sheet. Take off the branding band. Get a piece of paper a bit smaller than the band and write down our information on it. Glue the piece of paper to the band and put the branding band back in place. Glue the ends. Now, you can see the text of the cheat sheet on the inside of the bottle. Here's another cheat sheet that doesn't need any additional supplies. Get a notebook with a transparent cover and draw out the formulas with a toothpick. We can clearly see the formulas if we look at the cover at an angle. It's better not to give your notebook to the teacher in this case. In this hack, we'll show you how to hide your phone from your teacher. Get an ordinary notepad. Outline your phone with a pencil. Using a stationery knife, cut out the pages to the right depth to fit your phone. Put the phone in. Now you can easily sneak in your phone and take a peek if the question is too hard. Just don't forget to put it in silent mode. We'll hide the next cheat sheet in a magnetic bookmark. Miss Smith will never notice it. Cut out a piece of paper the size of the bookmark. Glue it on the inside on the magnetic layer. Write down what we need. Now, you can place the bookmark in a book and discreetly take a peek at your cheat sheet when things get tough. We also have another use for the magnetic bookmark. Get a plastic nail file. Gently separate the abrasive layer. Cut out the right shape and glue the nail file to the upper part of the bookmark. Now you can mark a page in your book and file your nails while you're at it. Drawing a table isn't that easy, but we know how to do it fast and simple. Take a few pencils. Put them in a row and join them together with tape. Now we can draw multiple lines literally in a single stroke. 1, 2, and the table is done. Do you need to draw a circle, but there's no compass nearby? We've got a solution. Get a binding clip and insert a pencil or a marker in it. Now, get a drawing pin, push it against the handles, and attach it with an elastic band. The compass is ready. Place the pin in the center and start drawing a circle. To highlight some text with a nice wavy line, we'll need an ordinary flat hair comb. Just put the hair comb under the line of the text and trace along the teeth with our marker. We get a neat wavy underline. In this life hack, we'll show you how to make a unique bookmark that also serves as a pen holder. We'll need a decorative elastic strip, some felt, and some glue. Measure out the elastic band to fit the book. Sketch out a kitten on the felt. Cut it out. Glue the face, ears, and paws. Only glue the edges of the front paws. Using a marker, draw out the nose, eyes, and claws. Glue the kitten to the elastic band. Now, we can mark the right page with the band and ask the kitten to hold our pens for us. Why does the pencil sharpener keep disappearing at all the wrong moments? Let's try and fix that. Carefully make a hole in a pencil sharpener. Insert a pin with a ring so that we can pass a string or a chain through it. Now, we can attach the pencil sharpener to the zipper of our pencil box and we won't be losing it again. And from this modeling dough, we are going to make a very simple yet handy pencil holder. Mold the dough into a ball and slightly flatten it to put it on the table. Insert some pencils and give them a good twist to make some nice holes. Take out the pencils and let the dough dry out for a few days. Done! We have some nice pencil holders that look like hedgehogs. We hope that these life hacks will help you out a lot at school and help you with your grades. Just be careful with the cheat sheets and don't rely too much on them. Click the like button if you liked this video. Subscribe to Troom Select and press the bell icon.